Hi there. So today in this video, we are going to talk about variables, how to define variables in PHP. So let me create one more file vars.php and let's open the PHP tag. So first of all, what is variable? So variable is a kind of container which holds the value. Um, so it's kind of value holder. So in PHP, how to define variable? In PHP, you have to define variable starting with dollar sign and let's say name equal to Bunty. So this is called a variable which holds this value. We don't need to specify the type of the variable. PHP takes automatically the type of the variable. So this is how you can define the variable. So in this we are assigning a string to this variable. Let's say assign a number to variable. So we can assign this number to variable. Again, we don't need to define any um, data type like integer, float, etc. We can define the float or decimal value like this. And now let's try to echo dollar name. So I will open my local host, then php toots and vars.php. I'm zooming in. So as you can see, we have echoed dollar name and dollar name has the value Bunty. So that's printing Bunty. Now let's print this number 10, then this floating point like this. So this is how you can define variables. Now there are some rules to define variables. We will go through all the rules. Basically these are some rules which you have to follow to define variables. So first is variable names should start with dollar. Yeah, that's common. We cannot assign a variable without dollar sign like this. We will have an error maybe. Let's refresh this like this. So it should be start with dollar. Then it must start with letter or underscore character. So a variable name should start with character only. It should not start with any number like this. We can assign number like this, but variable name should not start with this. It will throw an error. So see, so it should start with character, alphanumeric character, alphabet character or underscore. So in that case, we will not have an error. Then the third rule is cannot start with number. Yeah, I already showed you that it should not start with a number like this, or it should not only be a number. So this is not the correct way to define variable. Then can only contain our alphanumerical characters and underscores. Yeah, like this. Sorry. So we can give underscore and then 1, 2, 3, something like this. So that is valid. If I can print this, yeah, we are getting the value. Then variable names are case sensitive. So yeah, those are case sensitive. For example, this dollar name and this dollar name both are different. So let's try to echo name. So it will display Bunty. Now let's try to echo name. It will not display anything because both are same. So these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 rules you have to follow for defining the variables. Thanks for watching.